biglang mag-slide na hindi ko mapansin.
You look really good today.
I look good every day.
Welcome to Adelaide!
Some like to hide.
Me? Char. Char.
Pep. Ano ba yan?
Good morning! Happy Saturday, guys! It is Saturday. We will go out. Hapon na, guys. Alauna na. Tapos ako maligo. Nag-sleep in kasi si Dan kasi hanggang ngayon jet lag pa din daw. And kagabi ang tagal din namin natulog. Kailangan kong i-ano to, steam or i-plancha. Gagamitin ko yung steamer ko mamaya kasi hindi ko siya nagamit ng bongga nung nasa Pilipinas. So hindi ko pa siya gamay. Anyway, ito yung binili ko sa Korea. Dun sa ano ata to, sa underground shopping nila. Magko-contacts tayo because I need it. Meron ako ditong mga contact lenses from LensCircle. Ililive ko yung link nila sa description box, guys. Hindi ko pa to nagamit, so first time po silang gagamitin. So in the package, we have 3 contact lenses case. So, yung akin, it comes with pink. And then, meron akong 3 pairs of contact lenses. So, meron silang yung walang prescription. Meron din silang merong prescription. So, obviously, kasi may prescription yung mata ko, I chose yung mga contacts na may prescription. So, it's pair ko lang sila. By number siya. Pero nung sa website, may mga kulay to eh. So, ililive ko yung mga links nito sa description box, ha. Lahat ng to. Pili muna ako ng contacts. 624. Hindi nyo naman nakita ng maayos, but ililive ko dito. And then, I also have it in 901, which, again, you cannot see clearly, but that's it right there. And then, last one is 725, and it's a gray. So, ayan. I usually go for brown eh. I'll go with 624. Ang haba na ng kuko ko. I really need to get my nails done. I'll get it done this Thursday. Si Dan naliligo na eh. Kapag naliligo na yan, wala na. Dire-diretso na yan. Ang bilis na yan matapos. Ako yan. Pahirapan yung pag-open nito. Wait, so patulong na ako kay Dan. Alright, guys. I have the shade 624 ba yun? Natapon na namin yung bote. Pero this is what it looks like. Wala pa akong makeup ha. Skincare lang to. Medyo mas malaki siya compared sa mga usual na sinusuot ko. I prefer like smaller na mga lenses. Or kahit hindi siya sobrang liit, at least yung outer part niya is clear para maliit lang yung may kulay. See, kaya ayoko ng malaki kasi nakikita yung puti ng mata ko. Ang liit kasi ng mata ko, parang malaki lang siya tingnan pero maliit yan. Promise talaga. Pero okay na, okay lang yung kulay niya. Gagawin ko lang yung makeup ko, guys, ha. Tapos titingnan natin siya mamaya. Sobrang init din, so kailangan natin ng sunscreen. Alam nyo ba, pangalawa ko na to, itong collagen cushion ko. And malapit na siya maubos kasi gamit na gamit ko to, guys. Ililive ko pa din yung link nito sa description box pero wala na siyang promo. I'll let you guys know kung may pa-promo na naman sila. Yun nga lang, maganda siya, kaya lang ang bilis niya maubos. Kung ayaw nyo nito, kasi medyo may kamahalan siya, tapos ang bilis niya talaga maubos, ito din ginagamit kong isa. VT Cosmetics na Sun Pact, SPF 50 plus din to siya. PA, 3 pluses din. Maganda din naman to, very luxurious ng packaging, oh. Ito, galing to kay Yes Style. Ililive ko yung link nito sa description box. Tingnan nyo naman yan. See, may dent na talaga siyang bonggang-bongga because I use it all the time. I'm ready! Nakapag-makeup na ako, guys. And ito yung itsura ng contacts. Maganda, diba? I-leave ko yung link niya sa description box, ha. Marami pa silang kulay. Again, may prescription man or wala. Meron sila dun. And ito na yung aking OOTD. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nagsaslide talaga yung tripod ko. Parang kailangan ko ng bagong tripod.
Biglang mag-slide na hindi ko mapansin. Baka kayo ay mahulog.
Anyway, ito yung aking pa-OOTD. Wala pa akong sandals, but I will just be wearing the sandals that I got from People Are People dun sa last day natin sa Pilipinas. Okay, tago natin ang hair tie kasi nakakawala ng poise ang hair tie. Ayan. This top is from Korea, dun sa underground shopping nila. This shorts from Yes Style to, guys. Belt from Ukay-Ukay. Nung sobrang tagal pa. Sa Pilipinas ko pa ito nabili. Ano pa ako? Nag-review pa ako nun sa nursing exam. Ayan. And then, bag is from Celine. Yung kanilang bucket bag. Ang cute-cute niya, diba? Ang liit lang. And then, again, yung white sandals ko. So, very neutral ang ating look ngayon. And I think later on, I will just tie my hair. I'm wearing earrings from, I'm pretty sure it's from Kim's Collections, .ink. Necklace from Tiffany. And then just my usual jewelry. That's it. Hintayin lang natin na ma-ready si Dan. Kasi ako, I'm ready na. I'm ready, malove, whenever you are. Time to go! Ito yung suot ko, guys. Hello, my guapo man.
Hello, this is...
Hi, guys. Where are we heading to, my love?
the parade.
Punta kami sa the parade. Bibili kami ng gift para kay Theo because...
These two.
I know. Bilis ng panahon. Just... bilis ng panahon. Magiging 2 na siya, guys. Do you remember that time when we vlogged that there's like a new member of family? And that was Theo. And ngayon, his birthday is today! No, 9. 2 days ago.
Ah, you wouldn't even know.
Yeah.
You wouldn't even know.
2 days ago yung birthday niya. 2 na siya, guys. Siya na talaga. Meron silang pa-birthday party bukas. So, we will buy him a gift today. Tinanong na ni Dan yung kambal niya kung ano yung mga kailangan ng bata para yung maibibigay namin sa kanya is yung mga kailangan niya talaga. So, what are we gonna get?
Some books.
Books.
We're getting some clothes.
Clothes, yes.
And maybe a toy.
Yeah, so, exciting. Pupunta kami sa the parade. We were supposed to go to, sabi ko sa kanya kanina, punta tayo sa Asian shop. Bibili sana ako yung Asian shop na nagbibenta ng mga cosmetics. Bibili sana ako ng pangkulay ng buhok because this guy doesn't like my hair color. And he keeps saying, you need to change your hair color. Tapos sa kanina, sabi ko, it's actually not too bad. So kanina sabi ko, sige, punta tayo ng city. Bibili tayo ng para yung bubble color. Kasi ayoko yung mga kulay-kulay na... Yung nasa chemist na yung mga L'Oreal, ayoko yun kasi feeling ko, hindi ko din alam ha, sa akin lang naman to. Feeling ko, siya, medyo strong siya, tapos mahirap din siya i-apply. Yung bubble kasi, siya madali lang siya i-apply, okay lang na ako lang. Tapos, I don't think it's that damaging. Yeah, lalo na nakakakulay ko pa lang. Pero, nung nag-ready na ako kanina, sabi ko, it's actually not too bad. So, sabi ko, na lang, ayoko na. Sabi ko, wag na lang natin bilhin. Kasi sabi niya kanina, okay lang, punta tayo ng city, ganun. Sabi ko, alam mo, wag na. Para hindi na tayo magmadali. Para chill lang yung weekend natin. Nag-sleep in kasi siya. What time did you wake up?
12:30.
Yeah, 12:30 na. Hapon na siya nagising.
Still jet lag, babe.
Yeah, I know. That's what he keeps saying. Jet lag. Until the next trip. Jet lag pa din to. So his jet lag will last until April. Anyway, maaga ako nagising kanina. Nakapag-edit ako ng very, very light. Hindi ko siya natapos kasi I wasn't really stressing na. Kailangan ko siya tapusin. So, hindi ko siya natapos but I started editing the video for tomorrow. You look really good today.
I look good every day.
Oh, whatever.
Every day.
Nung pinaplansya ko yung top ko, ito din, nakasunod na, nakalinya na siya. Ito yung susuotin niya. Sabi ko, ito na naman siya. Ang gaganda rin naman susuotin. Mag-shopping lang kami. Tapos bukas, magsisinglet lang. Tapos 4-hour short. Party yun na. Birthday party. Really? Ganyan siya, guys. Pag short siya, ng sobrang ikli yung 4-hour shorts niya na pantulog. Tapos magsisinglet lang siya bukas. Alams na yan. What are you gonna wear tomorrow?
T-shirt and shorts. I'll be playing with the kids. I'll be running around.
Yeah, see? Sabi ko sa'yo, t-shirt. Buti na lang, t-shirt, hindi singlet. You look good today, babe.
Thank you.
I like your top.
Thank you. I need more sleep.
Oh!
Yeah.
Hoy, what time did you sleep? Grabe ka, I need more sleep. Uy, you're sleeping too much na. He took a nap last night, like a 2-hour nap.
Oh, the 2 hours.
Slept really late. 2 hours, babe, because I watched heaps of episodes of You. While natutulog siya, nanood ako ng You, guys. Maganda! Netflix. You na series. Pangalawang season na nila, and I like it. I like the first one as well. The second one is good. And my third, kasi may paano sila dun, pagganap sila dun sa ending na sabi ko, ay, may kasunod. Welcome to Adelaide! Traffic is real! Isn't it, my love?
It's beautiful.
Chaka traffic.
Beautiful being home.
Sobrang ibang-iba siya, guys, sa Pilipinas. Sobrang ibang-iba. How different is Cebu from Adelaide?
A lot different.
Yeah, very different, hey. Grabe.
In every way.
And it's Saturday, ha? Walang traffic talaga.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
And you prefer to be stuck in traffic for an hour smelling petrol fumes or clean air and not much traffic.
Kaya doon, hindi ako hindi naman talaga ako masyadong lumalabas kahit saan ako. Pero dito, you get things done really quick because wala. You get from point A to point B quickly. Kahit na isipin mo medyo malayo siya, but it doesn't really feel that way because the traffic is not bad at all.
Comment below if you notice the pollution in Cebu is getting really bad. Yeah, it's getting really bad.
Don't notice that.
It's getting bad.
Yeah.
You're gonna start wearing face masks soon. It's gonna be that bad. It'll be like China.
Yan yung una niyang napansin. Sabi niya, grabe naka-polluted ang Cebu. I know. We're here sa parade. We will just park the car and we will walk. Nandun yung mga shops, guys. So lakad-lakad tayo dun. Look at this view. Beautiful. Punta kami dyan sa Dylan's. Bookshop siya, guys. Maraming books para sa kids. And adults. Ito yung nakikita ko. Yung nakikita ni Dan yan. Ako ito. Asan yung children's book? Self-development books, malabo?
I don't know.
Where's children's books?
Koalas one.
Koala bears.
I look at this book. I could have wrote this book. My friends are all different.
I like that book. It's very true.
My friends come in all shapes and sizes.
That's right.
Some are small,
That's me.
while others are tall.
That's you.
Some are fast,
Me.
while others are slow.
You.
Some like to dig and play,
You.
while others like to build.
Oh, you.
Some like to hide
Me.
or hop and jump.
Me.
My friends are all different and so much fun.
Okay.
That's
Easy.
why they're best. Chuck. That was like 20 words.
How much is it?
$20. It's like $1 a word.
Ang daming reklamo ng buang
Seriously.
So what kind of book do you like? Would you like a banana?
Something that's got a bit more guts to it. These may be too simple.
Okay. Yeah. Sobrang hilig nila magbasa ng kasi mga books. Ito yung gustong bilhin ni Dan para kay Tio. Yung mga ganitong book ma. Joke lang. Joke lang, guys. How about that one? Let me see.
I'm not getting anything else.
See, that's a lot.
I like the graphics.
Oh, well. 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 Perfect.
These two, it's for 2-year-olds.
And there's heaps of words. Oh yeah, a lot.
It's
Perfect. There you go. You got a book frame. Dami din nilang puzzles dito, guys. Oh, how much is it?
I
500 pieces. Ang cute nito. I like this. Magkano to? $24. Nag-stop ako mag-puzzle kasi sumasakit yung ulo ko. I like that. Gusto ko yan. Round puzzle. That's something different. I like that. Round puzzle. Ang dami nilang puzzle dito. Dito na tayo sa seed. Tapos na tayo sa book. Yeah. Nandun sa likod yung kids.
Go good?
Yeah. I need to sneeze again, but wala. Anyway, we're done sa parade. Oops! We will go to Kmart. Dadagdagan lang namin yung gift namin sa kanya, guys. So, let's do a haul. We're back in the car, people. Bumili rin pala kami ng Boost Juice Mango. Mango Magic? Was it? Mango Magic. Okay, so is it good?
It's good.
Alam ko kasi na chocolate yung pipiliin niya eh. So sabi ko walang chocolate, please.
Chocolate's better.
Kasi share kami kapag ako kasi hindi ko talaga nauubos. Anyway, we got him the stories for 2-year-olds. There you go. Maganda siya kasi makapal. Tapos maraming sulat-sulat. May enjoy niya yan. And then we went to Seed. Sabi ng kambal niya, ano daw? Pajamas. So, we got him this. Kasi mahilig siya sa dinosaurs. And this is the bottom. And then, Dan got him.
We got him this Illuminate T-Rex nightlight. Kasi nga mahilig siya sa mga ganito. And this is reduced to $16.95 na lang. Now we will go to Kmart. Bili ng toys or toy. And then tonight we will go to the city. Maybe we will have dinner there. Tapos maybe we will get my hair dye as well if mahanap namin siya. Yung mata ko, okay na okay siya guys. It's very comfy. Napaka-sensitive kasi ng mata ko. So parang normal na sa akin na kapag nag-contacts ako, namumula talaga siya. Pero so far okay pa naman siya. Kahit na malaki siya ha sa nakasanayan ko, it's actually not too bad. Hindi pa naman nagpula yung mata ko. Okay pa naman. Do you like my contacts? I do.
Do you really? It's bigger than usual. I have muta, babe. And we're back here again, guys. Kmart for the win. I like this one.
You want that one?
Yeah, big one. What do you want to get him? This one? It doesn't make noises, does it?
No.
Or look at this. It's got an egg.
Too plastic though, look how hard. I don't like the hard ones.
It makes noises. Nice.
Okay, how are we getting that?
This one? Okay. Maganda to kasi hindi siya hard plastic. Ano siya? Medyo may pagka squishy ng konti. Konting-konti. This, and then what else?
One more thing for you.
Dito kami sa books na naman, guys. You don't want this? Dinosaur down? Dinosaur down. Kailang nipis-nipis, uy.
I think I don't know about these books, there's not much to the book.
I know.
But there's not much value.
Char. Dito ako sa change room ng Kmart. Gusto ko lang to i-try. Nakita ko siya nung palabas na kami ni Dan. Size 6 siya and maliit siya tignan. Tapos parang scuba churba yung material niya. So gusto ko siyang i-try. Tapos kami sa Kmart. Hindi ko pinili yung swimwear kasi kitang-kita yung aking nips. Hello people! So ended up getting 2 more books for baby Theo. Toy Story na meron siyang merong sound. Ha? Diba? Galing? Ay, cute! Mahilig din kasi yun sa Toy Story. And then we got him the Thomas! Diba? Ang galing. And then we got him this. We went for a smaller one. Kasi kanina nung palakad-lakad kami, sobrang nabibigatan ako sa isa. Sabi ko, nabibigatan na nga ako na ako to. Si Theo pa kaya na maliit. So we went for a smaller one. Kasi ito malaki na din to sa kanya. And we're all set. Where are we going now?
We gotta go to town and get your thing.
Yeah, sabi ni Dan, punta na lang daw kaming Goodyear Street. Bilhin na lang daw namin yung yung pangkulay. Para matapos na siya lahat. And then we can just chill sa bahay. Di ba, babe?
Yeah.
Netflix and chill? I will be doing the Netflix and chill and then you will be sleeping.
Yeah.
Ilang gabi na siya na ako nag-Netflix siya, nakatulog. Natutulog siya. Why is that, my love? Jet lag?
I'm just so jet lagged.
Irarap natin ito mamaya pagdating natin sa bahay.
My body clock is all over the place.
Yeah. Punta tayo dun sa Goodyear Street. Sana meron sila nung bubble. So what color do you want my hair to be?
Not orange.
This is not orange.
It's orange.
Pa, guys.
It's orange.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's orange. It's something that looks good.
Yeah, like what? Black, brown?
Brown, dark brown.
Let's go for brown.
Black wouldn't suit you. Wala ko din sa ni. Dito kami sa city, guys. Punta daw muna kaming market, sabi ni Dan. I like your sunnies.
Thank you.
Market first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that doesn't close until later. This closes
Yeah. Dito tayo, guys. Market Plaza Food Court. Gusto daw bumili ni Dan ng dessert. Hala, walang katao-tao dito. Babe, it's really busy here. Walang katao-tao. Hala, babe, Mr. Viet. Coffee. Dito kami sa Bun Chef. No, I'm good. What are you getting? Custard?
One custard.
Okay.
And one chocolate as well, please.
Oh.
Instead of
Sige, uy.
one chocolate, please. Sorry, one more chocolate. One chocolate. Sorry. I was thinking the lemon custard.
Okay.
That sounds good.
Pasara na pala sila, kaya wala na masyadong tao. Tapos si ate, usually kasi nagluluto siya niyan, ng mga ganyan. Nagluluto siya doon. Kaya pala hindi na siya nagluto. Lagay niya na lang sa mga bags kasi pasara na ata sila. Hindi ako nag-coffee, guys, kasi maaga pa kami bukas. Kasi yung party ni Theo is 10? 10 a.m., yeah? Punta tayo sa Kawaii shop na, thank you. Chocolate. Dito tayo, guys. Kawaii fashion. Sana nandito yung pangkulay talaga. Tingnan natin. Ayan, Ayan, Japanese brand yan. Feeling ko. Yeah, okay. Let's go check it out. May mga food din sila dito, eh. Dito, guys. Nandito. This is what I used, babe. Yan yung ginamit ko. So, what are we gonna go for? This one? Danny boy? Or there's more here? Brown? Classic brown?
Oh, that classic brown one.
Yeah?
Or chocolate brown.
Where's chocolate brown? Isn't that too dark now?
Up to you. Classic brown would probably be the right one for you.
Or there's this one. Brown. Cute brown. What's the difference? How about these here? Are these all bubble ones? I want the bubble. Cielo. Cielo looks alright as well.
Put a bit of
Royal
brown,
ash.
get rid of the greys.
Okay, that's why.
No, it's not.
That's why.
It's not.
Kaya pala, gusto niya dark brown para ilagay din sa buhok niya. Alams na this. Okay, choose. You choose then.
No, you choose.
Since this is for you.
It's not for me.
Oh, men. For men, babe. Oh.
No. It's the same thing. Men and women, it's the same thing.
You know what? Just let your grays grow. It will look like this. Let me see. Who's guapo, you or this one?
That guy.
Humble. Are you humble? We're finished. This is what we went for, guys. Same brand nung ginamit ko sa buhok ko. But this is the color. Wala akong maintindihan dyan. Pero tiningnan lang namin yung dark na color. Sabi niya, sabi ni Dan, ito daw yung kulay ng buhok ko ngayon. Ganyan ba talaga ka-light? Tapos magiging ganito yung resulta. Okay? We also got salt and pepper shakers. Or salt and pepper, ano tawag dito? Mill. Yan. $2.80 lang kasi siya. Naghahanap ng ganito si mama. Mag-ano ako ng box na naman. I think that's it. And then, tubig. Yun lang. Ay, hindi siya tubig. Calpis soda.
Guys, we're back home. And hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapak. Kasi meron tayong awkward na shape dito. And magkaiba-iba kasi yung shape ng lahat. Like, meron tayo nito. Okay lang sana kung ganito. Diretso na to wrap, diba? Tapos meron tayong 3 books. Naghanap-hanap ako ng ng bag ba. Kaya lang walang magkasya kasi ang laki nito eh. Guys, I'm gonna cook ang palaya. Yung binili ni Dan. Instead of choco or sayote. Ito yung dala niya. So, lulutuin natin siya. Lulutuin ko siya for dinner. Medyo na siya, malambot. Inatapon na nga niya sana. Sabi ko, what? Lulutuin ko siya. Ano ko lang siya. Cut natin siya. Tapos, i-rub ng asin. And then, ipiga. and then lutuin. I-rub ng asin ng mga 10 minutes. Yun yung ginawa ko last time eh. Hindi siya sobrang pait. Merong pait pa din. Ayoko naman na hindi mapait yung ampalaya. Kasi paano siya magiging ampalaya, diba? So gusto ko naman talaga din mapait siya. Hugasan ko lang siya, guys. Alright, let's cook, guys. Yung ingredients, kulang ako ng kamatis kasi wala kaming kamatis. So meron na ako dito, onion, garlic, and yung ampalaya natin. And nilalagyan ko din siya. Uy, nagsisplit na naman ang tripod. Lalagyan ko din ito ng itlog. So, mamaya mag-add ako ng itlog. Babatil natin siya before natin siya ilagay. So, oil muna. Olive oil. And i-on din. Paminsan-minsan. Ano makaluto? Habang iwan. Hintayin ko lang na minute ng konti yung oil. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung ating garlic and then onion. Ilagay ko na yun, guys, yung ampalaya. So, I'm gonna get the egg ready. And tingnan nyo yung egg namin. Ang liit! Ang cute! So, dalawa yung gagamitin ko. Ang liit niya talaga. Ang cute! It's so cute. Binili ni Dan, sabi niya, $2 lang kasi yung isang dosena. Kaya pala, sobrang liliit pala. Ang cute. Ang cute pa. Isa lang sana yung gagamitin ko eh. Kaya lang, XXS pala tong egg namin. Ang cute. Parang itlog sa pugo. Ano to, babe? Dinner time! Ito yung aking ampalaya na may itlog. And tingnan nyo yung ginger, garlic, tostado. Tama ba yung term ko? Medyo na ano siya, nag-brown siya. So, parang nag-add tuloy siya ng kulay. Ang ganda. Mapait! Malamang ampalaya eh. Pero, mas mapait siya compared sa last time na ginawa ko. Pero okay lang. Masarap pa din siya. Kain tayo, guys! Kay Dan, bacon and egg, yung sa kanya. Noon tayo ng Netflix movie. Sabi ni Dan, horror daw papanoorin namin. Anong makikita nating horror dito? What are we gonna watch? I thought you already figured it out.
I did.
Hindi ako nagkulay ng buhok. Bukas na lang siguro after ng party. Pero, The Quiet Place, feeling ko talaga napanood na to namin. Pero sabi ni Dan, parang hindi daw. So, we'll see. But feeling ko talaga napanood na to natin. You don't really remember at all. Guys, alam nyo ba? Naalala na ni Dan yung movie, yung Quiet Place. So, hindi niya tinapos. We watched the 6 Underground instead. Netflix original siya. And it's good. I like it. Ano siya? Tawag namin dun. Yung mga bata pa kami yung tawag namin dun sa movie. Yung gubat-gubat ba? Yung may war-war, ganun. Pero it's not war. Basta, action! Action movie. Gubat-gubat. Naliligo ang aking Danny boy, guys. Mag-skincare lang tayo. Uy, in fairness, aking skin ha. Pura buyag. Pep. Pura buyag. Wala ko na, hindi ako nagka-pimple. Na-notice ko na may mga bumps ng konti, pero wala akong like yung malaking pimple sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Pero may pimple ako dito. Wala sa mukha, pero meron dito eh. Dito sa baba talaga ng bra. Minsan natatamaan. Pero ngayon lang siya dumating. Sa Pilipinas, wala talaga. Guys, umaga na guys. Nakalimutan ko i-close yung vlog. Pero hindi pa kami tulog ni Dan. Sabi ko na nga, babe. Pero okay lang. Gising kami. Nakaset na yung alarm ko bukas. Mga 8:30. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.